Hi everybody and happy Friday. We're back here doing another video that I promised last week in my Dollar Tree nail haul video. So if you're here today to watch the giveaway, stay tuned towards the end of this video because that's when I'm gonna announce the winner. But I don't want to take up too much of your guys' time because I actually do want to get into this tutorial. So if you're new here, I do nail tutorials, dip powder tutorials, gel polish. Mostly I work with dip powder and then I do tutorials on like techniques, cool stuff, unboxings. There's gonna be some reviews coming, so stay tuned for that. Today's gonna be an updated cuticle routine. I did a video back in like March, maybe February of this year, of how I do my cuticles and like the cuticle stick trick, but I've learned a couple other things along the way and I wanted to share that information with you guys. But just know that these ideas and like these tricks are not original to me. I didn't think of them. I'm not like an innovator. It's not my trick. I've picked them up along the way from a couple other people in the nail community or YouTube videos, and I have to thank Miranda Price for 2 of these tricks. Thank you very much. She's the one that taught them to me and I wanted to put them on video and share them for you guys so you guys know how I went from this to this. And I'm not saying I'm a pro or I have the best nails, but I have noticed a huge difference in these 4 things that I do with my nails on how my application looks towards the end. But I hope that you guys like the video. So without further ado, let's get started. First thing is first, you're gonna need your dip powder. So we're gonna focus on, in this video, is getting that nice rounded cuticle line and keeping it rounded and so that the dip doesn't touch your skin and there's no jagged edges. So I have a nail that is clear and I'm gonna show you guys how I keep this area nice and neat. First things first, you wanna start by pushing back your cuticle. This really isn't my tip, but I think this is very important for the very first tip that I'm going to show you guys. My first tip is to start applying your liquid towards the middle of your nail bed, working your way towards the free edge. This helps make sure that the bulk of the liquid isn't at your cuticle line. Then you're going to go back to the middle and push the brush towards the free edge so that it makes a nice fanned out circle around your cuticle, but make sure to not touch your cuticles. And then make sure you get an even application on the entire nail by making slow, even strokes. Get an orange wood stick with a slanted edge like this, or any kind of cuticle stick that has a slanted edge. We're going to run around our cuticle line with the stick, putting the slanted edge towards the skin and the rounded edge towards the dip. Put it between the dip and the cuticle and just clean up any excess dip that might have gotten stuck there. This tip is important for before you reapply your liquid again. So you're going to gently push back your cuticles. Do this between every single application of liquid and dip that you do. This will help you get as close to your cuticle line as possible. Apply your dip liquid as I had mentioned before, starting in the middle, going towards the free edge, and then really fanning out towards the cuticle area. And another recap, just clean your cuticle line with your orange wood stick. For my last tip, you're going to need a thin file. I use this metal file because it is really thin and allows me to get in between my cuticle line and the dip. You can use a glass file. I know that those are very gentle. So what I do is between that line that I just carved out with my orange wood stick, I slowly and very gently run this metal file between the line and just make it smooth so there's no jagged edges. When you're done, apply your activator and top coat as usual, but rub your cuticles and apply cuticle oil. When you're done, you're going to have a beautiful manicure and it's not going to look like there's a gap. So now that you watched that video, do you guys think that you could incorporate these very easily into your nail routine? Or do you already do these and they work? Or do you have an even better suggestion on how to do your nails and your cuticles and make sure that that dip powder is not touching your skin, but also get that beautiful curved line around your cuticle area? I don't know. So if you have any of other helpful information, feel free to drop them in the comments below. I will read all your comments and respond, and I can't wait to hear what you guys think about this video. But without further ado, there's a lot of people who are excited to see who's going to be the winner of my Dollar Tree haul giveaway. So I'm going to go ahead and pull up my Instagram account because the requirement to enter into the giveaway was that you had to go find my most recent Instagram video where I showed you this tutorial and just leave a $sign on it. This will help me get a hold of you and message you for your address. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to load all the comments. There were 124 comments on here. I'm just going to load them all. It's taking a minute. All right. So they're all loaded, because you can see the top comment there at the top. And I'm just going to, I wonder how I can do this so I can randomly scroll, but without, make this fair as hell, right? Why isn't my boyfriend picking all my cats? That would be more fun if I let one of them pick. I should have done comment picker or something. Okay. Guys, this is really difficult. I'm trying to pick a winner, but without looking. Okay, hold on. Whatever comments right there. Shar S. Harshman. So my finger is on S. Harshman. I'm actually gonna like her comment right now. S. Harshman. Oh, you can double tap. Yeah, I liked it. So S. Harshman. Do you guys see it? Ugh. Okay, so I'm gonna comment right there and I'm going to type winner and up, the hands up thing, and then I'm just gonna post it so it's there, and I'm going to post this YouTube video so you guys can see it. But congratulations to S. Harshman. I'm going to message you on Instagram and get your address. You're gonna get all the things in that YouTube video that I posted just last week. I'm super excited because I love all the things that I picked up and I hope you love them too. So I just want to give a huge thank you to everybody who watched that video. It seemed to be a huge hit. So if you want me to do hauls like that at other stores like Target or Walmart, because not everybody has a Dollar Tree near them, let me know and I can definitely do more hauls like that and also do giveaways with them because I do have a lot of nail stuff and I just love to give back. It's a big thank you from me to you for watching any of my videos and taking the time to leave a comment, a heart, anything that you leave. Every single comment, every single message I get, and people are like, people shared with me their Dollar Tree hauls. They're like, oh, showing me everything that they bought. Or people today, for example's REVEL Nail sale, they're like, I used your discount code, blah, blah, blah. So I literally from the bottom of my heart, I appreciate every single thing that you guys do, and trust me, it does not go unnoticed. So I love you guys. I just want to thank you so much for watching, and I'm excited to share my next video. It's going to be a review unboxing of a very unique kit. Okay, so stay tuned. Bye.